How to see your Google's and Gmail's password on your PC. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you easily view your Gmail's password on your PC. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your Google Chrome, and on the top right of the screen you can see three dots. Click on it to head over to your settings. You will find it on the bottom of the list. And once you are on your settings, on the left side of the screen you can see different settings menu. You are going to click on autofill and password. And once you are here, you can see your Google Password Manager. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. So once you click on Google Password Manager, it will open up all of your saved passwords. So you can just click on google.com and it will ask you to enter your PIN. So I'm just going to enter my PIN, and then it will take you to this site. Here you can just click on this eye icon to view your password, and that's how you can easily view your Google's or Gmail's password on your PC. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.